had a friend that told me whenever we first got in the business that I didn't want to give away anything for free. So we came up with the silver, gold, and platinum package. The differentiating package today is really we also offer labor with that, cleaning out the inside of the car. Most recently, since you've added this new system, we're offering hot wax and tire shine. All of those are automatic features that are coming on with the system, really working good, really have pleased our customers. We do a pretty good job, and because we do a pretty good job, they bring us additional vehicles, which tells me that they're happy with the product that we're putting out. It certainly has helped with our CSI. It is also a profit center for us. So I think the tire shine specifically has certainly helped us wash a few more cars with the same amount of labor. And it's given us a more uniform appearance on the tires. Labor has been able to stay the same or even reduce washing a few more cars. We've really been able to control our chemical cost far better than we were before. Our customers are happy. It's a one-stop shop. They come in here and get their whole car taken care of. They get the oil changed, their car washed, maybe brakes, maybe tires. It's been really beneficial for us in a lot of areas, especially with getting the customers to come back on a regular basis. We've been able to increase the number of cars coming through here. We're not having to put on the tire shine anymore. That has certainly sped up. It's also created a more uniform look on the tires. But the whole process, working with Sonny's and Southeastern Car Wash Services was really beneficial. We had an older operation. We needed to upgrade. We'd originally put in the car wash in 2001. So it had been here for 16 years when we replaced it, and it had gotten really tired. So that part has really worked well. A lot of the new features have really helped us out quite a bit.